Walk into Lowe's and look at this. I was greeted with a clothing section here. Ooh, they got hats now. A brand I don't know yet. Oh, I like these hats. These are perfect. They got women's clothing. Fresh women clothing to work out, to go outside and work. Wow, they got golf shirts for men. Look at this. Ooh, I like this. Look at this. Not the greatest fashion, but for everyday use. Oh, and right now you probably get these on clearance because it's winter, it's summer here. It's about cheap prices. I'm not gonna tell you the prices. You're gonna have to come out. But they got different styles. Oh, I like this for fishing. Look at that. With the hoodie and everything. That is dope. Look. Oh, shoot. Sign me up. I can't buy more stuff. My wife's gonna kill me. So let's check out some of the hats here. Oh, they got different styles. Oh, I could see myself wearing this. No, I won't. My friends will make fun of me. Oh, leopard? No, won't either. These are women hats. You need socks? I got you. $7 socks. Oh, look at this. They got cargo pants. Various sizes. And because I'm a big guy, they do have my size here. Big and beautiful. And then they even have gray Levi's. Oh, damn. This is a big and beautiful tall store for me. Oh, look at these. These are perfect for summer. So if you're going to go to a pool, look at these. They're relaxed. Waterproof. Pool time is here. Plus, you don't want to show your man figure. You want to hide it. This is a perfect way. Hiding your man figure. This is for me. It's because I don't want to attract other women. I want to wear something over this. Oh, that's it. I'm going to have to take some of these. Look at this. They're too tight for me. Look at these. Damn. Oh, look at this one right here. I don't like the color, but I like the style. Oh, hoodies. Ooh, damn. I didn't know Lowe's had none of this stuff. Figure out the shirt for women, t-shirt. I'm also thinking about getting a fishing one. I was thinking about getting this one right here. I think I'm gonna get this one right here. I'm really debating on this one. Oh, that one. We're gonna see if we can get this one. I think I'm gonna like this one. Let's check this one out because it has a hoodie. It's ready for fishing. On my dream socks, I'm gonna get these. These are 6 to 12 size. We're gonna grab these because they're inexpensive here. $10. So 2 different colors. And you get 1, 2, 4 pairs, but you can get. I'm thinking about getting these instead. For some reason, they're attracting me. But then, I love these too. But then my friends are gonna make fun of me. But then, I could share these with my wife. I'm not gonna get these. I'm just gonna get some of these too. But these are a little thick for me. They're like dress shirts. So, and then they have the other colors too. Ooh, I like this. But I'm gonna grab these. But look at the pants. And they have aprons too. So you men that are cooking at home, this is perfect for you guys. You know, you could put your cell phone here, a little flower here. Perfect. Oh shoot, look at these guys. If you guys are going to prom, this is it. You know, either they're gonna think you're a janitor or you're cleaning after prom. Hey, I'm gonna get these because I own 1,000 pair of shorts. 1,002 with this one. I think I'm gonna get. These are actually pretty good. Lots of pockets. So we're gonna get these, and you guys can find them at Lowe's right now. So you guys are looking for great brands, great styles. To be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, I have some of these, or I would have bought one of them, but today we're gonna take this size beautiful, which I'm not gonna tell you my size. because I'll be lying to you what size they are. These are extra small for me.